A really popular trend that we saw emerge in 2021 was the Slimline card. So, of course, we have our Slimline punch board. This allows you to make two popular Slimline sizes, the traditional and then the mini Slimline. It also allows you to make the coordinating envelope. So really, it's all you need to make these amazing cards. I have some examples here that our crafters made, and they look phenomenal. Here's the traditional size, so you can see it's kind of a longer, taller card. Here's some envelopes that they made, all of them with our punch board. Again, just really great design. You can do it horizontal or vertical. You can do the envelope in different ways. Really just fun things you can do. This is our mini size right here. Again, you can do it horizontal, you can do it vertical. You can have the envelope open horizontal or vertical. So really, it's a really fun card style. So let me show you how it works. So we're going to take our scoring tool and our piece of paper. The board is going to tell me, depending on if I'm doing the standard Slimline or the mini Slimline, it's going to tell me exactly what size paper I need for the envelope or the card. So we're going to make a standard envelope. I'm going to put my paper in right here, and I am going to start by actually trimming off this piece right here. Just remove the paper, and then we're actually going to create a couple score lines. So we're just going to score down this way horizontally and vertically, and then we're just going to flip this over, and we're going to repeat that process on the other side, just like this. Again, scoring these lines. And then we're just going to do that on the bottom side as well. Take our blade. So this board is going to retail for $24.99, and it's going to, well, it's actually launching as we speak. So it should be available towards the end of 2021. There we go, finish up with one final score line right here. There we go, and then we can take our scoring tool and we can, of course, decide how we want to fold it, if we want a vertical or a horizontal card. There we go, just like that. We have our envelope, we can make our card, we can decorate it in any way that we want to. So we're really excited to bring this to market.